Hi guys, this is Friendly Advice. I am here at Lynn Canyon Park. So I did share my experience with you about the other park, but this one is free standing bridge. So let's go to the Lynn Canyon Park. There's a lot of parking here at the park, and those sheds back there, those are the picnic sheds where you can have your picnic lunch, which we brought. And there's some signs telling us where to go. So we're going to the suspension bridge. There is a public bus that comes as well. There's washrooms, cafes. So let's get going. This is where we go for seeing the suspension bridge. As I said, this is free. And there's a big cafe right here. It's very, very nice. Organized. Lynn Canyon. It is totally free to visit and it is gorgeous. So the first, after we had our picnic lunch, I am walking down these stairs to go see the falls. I can hear the falls. It says it's only like 350 meters down. So I'm gonna go see it. There are nice staircases that are made. And there's lots of stairs down there. And yeah, I see people coming down, so I'm gonna go see it and I'll show you what I see. I am gonna start the Lynn Canyon Suspension Bridge walk. So that's where it starts. It's just opposite the cafe. So let me see how far I get. So keeps on highlighting this. The gates close at 9 p.m. So make sure you leave before that. Or you get locked and you have to pay the fee for them to open the lock. So make sure. There is again nice stairs that you take to go down the suspension bridge. Oh, not much walk, not much walk at all. Literally 5-6 minutes walk, and you can see the bridge. See, I think I can do the full video of my walk down the stairs. This bridge is very narrow and definitely a bit more slippery here, so I would recommend walking sideways. Oh my god, gorgeous. Look at that. Nice. Look at this. Wow. Awesome. Look at this. Oh my god. There is the falls. Beautiful. Nice. So this is the Lynn Canyon Bridge. So I have walked about 20 minutes after the suspension bridge. I want to go see the water. Apparently it's only 20 minutes away. It's a nice walk. Not fully, I think that most of the walk is like this. Because it is flat, but not like the way it was in the other suspension bridge, which I did. And it's beautiful, very beautiful natural rock that you can see. And they tell me the water is very close to this big rock, so people are taking pictures on it. And I believe the water is just that way, which the view should be amazing. Yep, I can see people going there. So I am going to take my picture over there. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Can't wait to show you guys. I think people are taking a dive and enjoying themselves in the water. I have never seen anything like it. gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Nice. The nice green falls are falling. And a lot of rocks and gorgeous. So guys, that was my visit to the Lynn Canyon Park. So I saw the suspension bridge. I saw this beautiful falls, and I would highly recommend you come and visit. Yes, the other suspension bridge which I filmed was also great. I keep on forgetting the name, but this is free, Lynn Canyon, and it is really worth the visit. So gorgeous. So if you have a chance to visit Vancouver, please do come see this amazing natural beauty that God has given us. So thank you for watching and sharing my video with your family and friends, and enjoy nature and stay happy and healthy always. Stay positive and you will have the best life ever.